So after days and for me weeks of postponing, we are on the way to Alicia and it's like 7 minutes away. I found some volunteers to come do it together. We are from the same state, so we are driving like 40 minutes now and it's so beautiful. So we are already on the way up to Alicia. We parked our scooters and we had to pay like 150 per head for entrance fee, and we had to pay a guide. It was I think 300 peso for all, so it's not so expensive. And we already hiking like for 5 minutes now and we already died almost. But look at this place, it's so beautiful. I think I am broken. I did so many trail runnings and hiking where I have to finish in time. So I feel I still have the pressure that I cannot stop. I mustn't stop. I must keep on going. But I could take any time I want. It's just a little hiking to Alicia. And I just realized when I look back that none of my friends are invited to come with me. They are not near me. I can't see them. But I'm already at the top, so there is no reason to stop now. So I'm already at the top. I didn't watch the time, but I think it was like only 30 to 40 minutes. They told me that it's at least 1 hour. Wow, but it's really amazing. It's one of a kind. Look at this view. You can see the sea. And you can see the chocolate hills. Hey guys, what happened? It's already 30 minutes I'm here. Hey, so they just arrived back. I already flew my drone. I already like it's 30 minutes, and just when I started to record us with the drone battery was down, so I have to record it again. So can you please come back and he comes.
Okay, before Greg was my best friend, but now after we are arriving here, I will forget that guy immediately. Oh, filming?
Yeah.
Who is that guy? Sorry, what's your name?
When you are going to see the footage of the drone, you will be very grateful.
Or maybe then I will love you again. So, but until then, I saw the what he took for a video. Until then, I don't speak with him anymore. So I'm out. Bye.
Yeah, I'm convinced them to come with me, but look at them. I think they are happy. They're just pretending. They look so happy. And the tour guide without any water or refreshment because he does it like 3 times a day. How was the hike? Are you okay? Are you very tired?
Yeah, I'm okay because I have the advantage.
You need any help?
Go 3 times a day with this mountain.
3 times a day, that's crazy.
Salamat po buhay.
Yeah, thank you. This place is amazing. I think it's better than Chocolate Hills because you can see the Chocolate Hills from here. And I think it's better than Chocolate Hills because you can see the Chocolate Hills from here and you can be part of the nature here. You know, Chocolate Hills you can just see from far. It's nice.
Only one mountain.
Yeah,
and
but
you can
here
see a view.
I'm a part of the nature here.
But this you can feel.
Okay, so we almost spent, I think, more than 1 hour here at the top, and it was so amazing. We did some amazing shoots with the drones, and now I did the hike so easily, but I danced, and I killed myself with the dance, but I had to do my signature dance here because it's one of the top places I've been in the Philippines and in the Bohol. I think, again, I say it's much better than the Chocolate Hills because you can see the Chocolate Hills from here and you can also enjoy the nature here. So come here to Alicia Panorama View. It's from under around 45 minutes, and from Panglao I think it's 2.5 or 3 hours, but you have to check it for yourself. But you mustn't skip this if you are in Bohol. My friends told me that, yeah, we did it, but I think he has no idea what he's talking about because I think usually going down, especially that steep, it's much more difficult. Disagree.
No, it's not true.
Okay, I hope you are right, but it's very steep and we have to protect our knees, and it's getting dark and we don't see where we are stepping, so for me it's more difficult. I have to step like I'm on the toilet. Like this, yeah. That's the method I've been told. I have to go. It's really, really steep. Wow. I think after he will see his drone shoots, he will be more than grateful for me that we came here.
Okay, I'm also grateful because it was really super nice, super beautiful to see that. Even it's in the Philippines, it looks a bit like Scotland, so yeah.
Okay, so enjoy the drone shots and we enjoy going down. See you on our next activities in Bohol. Bye bye.
Chase the sky, we race through time. The wind is calling, voices rise, the mountain dares us, burning thighs. One more step, no turning back, the world below fades into black. Rise, rise to Alicia's throne, where the earth meets sky, where the wild winds roam. Every heartbeat, every mile, worth the climb, worth the trial. Sweat is falling, gasping breath. Every step is life and death, but in the struggle strength is found. Feet on fire, hearts unbound. The wind is roaring, lifting high. The summit waits beyond the sky. Through the pain, through the fight, we reach the edge. We touch the light.